Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to wrap a Christmas gift using the gift wrapping. Firstly, measure and cut paper. Roll out wrapping paper like pattern side down. Place your box face down and wrap the paper around it. Cut the paper with 2-inch overlapping enough extra on each and to cover about 3/4 of the box's height. 2. Tape on side. Center the box on the paper and lift one side of the paper, then tape it halfway across the box to keep it in place. 3. Fold and secure the other side. Bring the other side of the paper to the edge of the box and fold for a clean line and tape it down. Now tuck in the side of one of the ends to form 4 triangle flaps and fold the top flap down and crease it. Then lift the bottom flap, fold for a clean line and tape. Just add ribbon and tie a bow, then embellish like ornaments, flowers or a gift bag. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.